Every hair salon needs to offer hair color correction service. A lot of clients, they mess up their hair, they go to somewhere else and someone mess up their hair. They really want to come to the salon and fit their color in one appointment. But sadly, not much hairstylists they qualify to do color correction for client. What I mean color correction qualify in here is the color correction in one appointment. Most of client come to see me and they say, I came to another salon, I asked, and most of them just say, unrealistic. You have to come back 4-5 times to fit that color, to turn brassy to color correction like creamy blonde, and that turn client off and they don't want to come. So let me share with you 3 benefits, and you should do color correction or your team need to learn this service and upgrade skill. Number 1 benefit is increased client satisfaction and client retention. So if your team can do this color correction in one appointment, client always coming back and recommend new people to your business. Number 2, that reduce turnover. So the hairstylist see you do specialized, they will always come to join you. Number 3 is increase revenue for your business. So you need to learn this.